In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide those blue ticks on WhatsApp by disabling read receipts. This way, you can read messages without the sender knowing. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on WhatsApp, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu and select settings on Android. And on iPhone, you can find settings at the bottom. Now in the settings menu, tap on account to access your account settings, or you can simply find privacy section. Scroll down until you see the read receipts. Simply toggle it off. When it's gray, that means it's toggled off. Keep in mind that if you disable read receipts, you won't be able to see if others have read your messages either, except in group chats, where read receipts will still show. Once you've turned off read receipts, just exit the settings and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the blue ticks in WhatsApp by disabling read receipts.